welcome to today's English lesson. Today we are going to talk about two useful expressions that helps us describe habits. They are usually and used to. These two phrases are very common in English, but many learners confuse them because both talk about things we do regularly. The difference is time. One is about habits in the present and the other is about habits in the past. By the end of this video, you will know how to use both correctly and sound more natural in English. Let's begin with usually. We use usually when we talk about something that happens regularly, a normal or typical action in the present. It shows that something happens most of the time, but not always. For example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. She usually drinks coffee in the morning. We usually go to school by bus. As you can see, usually comes before the main verb in sentence. For example, I usually go to bed early. He usually eats healthy food. But there is one exception. If we have the verb to be, am is are usually comes after it. For example, I am usually tired in the evening. They are usually at home on Sundays. Now let's move on to used to. We use used to when we talk about actions or habits that happened in the past but they don't happen anymore. It's perfect to describing how things were different before. For example, I used to play piano when I was a child, but don't play now. She used to live in Paris. Now she lives somewhere else. They used to go swimming every weekend. They don't anymore. So, used to describes past habits or past situations that have changed. Structure is subject plus used to plus verb base form. Example, I used to watch cartoons. He used to go fishing. Now, how do we make questions and negatives? We use did when we make questions. The structure is did plus subject plus used to plus verb. For example, did you used to play football? Negative form with didn't. Didn't plus used to plus verb. I didn't used to like vegetables. Notice that in questions and negatives we say used to, not used to, because the past tense is already shown by did. So to sum up, usually or habits in the present, used to for habits or situations that the past that don't happen anymore. Now you can describe your routines and past experiences clearly in English. Thank you for watching this lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and practice using usually and used to in your own sentence. See you next time. Bye.